I'm sorry. We have highly placed people here. There are hotels, 5-star hotels in Suka here, am I right? In Suka here. Even if you go to Nuku or anywhere you have been, check how many hotels you go in and you see white people in Nigeria eating that hotel. Go to Port Harcourt, go to Abuja. So many of them import their food. They don't import that. Why not they eat it? They know they don't. Why? Yam in Nigeria is supposed to be yam in America. It's supposed to be yam in Canada. Is that true? Because yam is yam. So why is my own not being eaten by you? Do you eat yam? I eat yam. So why can't you eat my own? The answer is there for them, will not be you. I'm talking about using, I'm not talking about you using it for commercial purpose. I'm talking about commercial purpose in a way. You can have acres of land, you have a very good agricultural endeavor, but practice it for yourself. You see that your compound that is full of interlock, like the hotel we were, everywhere is full of interlock. There's no land. Go and buy bag, sack bag. Carry sand, put in that sack bag. Plant your onions, plant cucumber, plant this pepper, plant vegetable. In those sack bags, take this fertilizer, be putting on top of it on their leaves, They will begin to do well. You wake up in the morning, you want to cook. You go there and harvest this, and you eat fresh fruit, fresh vegetable without much acidic content. And you live for your children, and your children live longer. The lifespan in Nigeria is 48 and less. You know what I mean by lifespan? Go to outside, even Ghana here. Go to other places. Their lifespan, and somebody say it is because of suffering. We are suffering too much in Nigeria. You never see suffering from African countries. You see coconut. The water of coconut contains one mineral that you can think about. Coconut itself has up to 28 minerals. Coconut. How many of you eat it? Well, you can have it and do yourself. Let anybody visit me in my house. I'll go and bring one coconut. Cut it. Take the water inside cup. And bring the coconut and give you coconut water and coconut to eat. You will sigh. But let me go and bring one more and put before you. Then you smile and you take it. An average Nigerian doesn't take enough water, and it's a very big problem to our health system. Because you need water to digest food. You need water to separate elements in your body system. You need water to do a lot of things. Even for you to have a very good sight, you need to drink enough water. Because in the sight, that's what they call eye gland, watering gland here. That's why old men don't cry, old women don't cry, because their water gland has dried up. There's nothing you can do to make them cry. Even if they want to cry, they can't, because the gland here is what? Now, but we ourselves, it is from where? If you wash your clothes, you spread it. In the next 1 hour, it dries. Am I right? Your body is under the sun. It doesn't dry like the clothes. You have been looking. Your eye is not dry. What is happening? As you're blinking your eyes, the watery system, let me use that language, is lubricating your eyes. It's lubricating your eyes to make it water. If you don't take enough water, enough fruit and fluid, it continues to dry. And at the time as it's drying, you begin to have eye problem. It will deepen to the level that you now need lens. But if you eat enough fruit and enough water intake, it continues, it continues, it continues. Now, if you wake up in the morning, get the big size of this. You know there's small size and small, big size? Yes. Huh? Get the big size. Put it. Before we say good morning, till the middle of the morning, you have finished one. You have finished what? One. Before we move to good afternoon, you have taken 1.5. I don't mean this small one. I mean the big. I don't have the big bottle here. Yes. About the one here. You have taken 1.5. By the time we start saying good afternoon, before we reach good evening, you have taken 1.5 again. That gives you how many bottles now? 3. Before we move to good afternoon, before we say good night, from good afternoon to good night, you have taken at least 1 or 1.5. That means how many bottles now? 4.5. Now, from what I said now, if you do this, that means you take enough water. Now, from what I have said now, how many of you take enough water? You know? Now listen. We only drink water when we want to eat it. After eating, what are you drinking water for? So if there's no food, there's no water. That's what the practice. And then if you don't take enough water, some of them will retain in your body system. And the worst part of it is if you take enough water, it will quicken your system to go to toilet. In the morning, you have not eaten anything. You take enough water. You discover that you want to go to toilet. And you excrete. And what did you excrete out? You excrete out unwanted food that was not needed by the body. I want to ask a question. If you go out like that, we're all human beings. You didn't poo-poo in the morning. You wanted to poo, but you didn't poo, you go out. You move round and round and round and round. By afternoon, you come back. You don't feel to poo again. Is that true? You don't feel to poo, am I right? Mm-hmm. Okay, that poo-poo that was worrying you, you don't poo it again. Where did it go? It has been reabsorbed in the body system as a toxicity of the body. Yes. That is why, hello, that is why you will drink in the morning that will push you to go and do what? Push out the waste. Push out the waste. Another way to start accumulating. Another way to start accumulating. Not accumulating. If you drink enough water, it will always, some people used to be proud. No matter what I eat, I don't poo for 2 days. 2 days. Sometimes 2 days. I don't poo every day. It's the simplest measure to say I don't drink enough water. Some of us suffer from memory loss. As you grow, you begin to forget some things.